After Russian drones entered Polish airspace, major international airlines cancelled flights to and from Warsaw. In this video, we talk about what travelers need to know.
But first, we want to thank you for joining us. Find us on all the other social media channels. And don't forget to subscribe to our channel and click that bell to get notified when we release a new video. We also appreciate your likes and comments below, as it helps to support our channel. Oh, and don't forget to check out our website at immigrationandmigration.com. This video is brought to you by IAM. We believe that travel improves and inspires you and the people around you. We help you travel by providing services which overcome barriers and frameworks that simplify and enrich your experience. We just happen to be immigration lawyers. So reach out to your IAM visa coordinator when you're ready for your adventure, or already on one and would like some assistance.
The UK Foreign Office has updated its travel advice for Poland after Russian drones violated Polish airspace earlier this week, raising concerns about travel safety and disruption. The cause of the update was a serious security incident. Poland confirmed that 19 Russian drones crossed its airspace during strikes on western Ukraine. Polish and NATO aircraft shot down several of them, forcing authorities to suspend flights at Warsaw's Chopin Airport for several hours while military operations were underway. Airspace over part of the country was closed in response, grounding flights at Warsaw Chopin, Warsaw Modlin, Lublin, and Rzeszów. LOT Polish Airlines cancelled its morning departures from Warsaw Chopin Airport to Vienna, Paris Charles de Gaulle, Budapest, and Lublin, along with the corresponding inbound flights. In addition, several international carriers temporarily suspended services to Warsaw, including Austrian Airlines, Finnair, KLM, and Qatar Airways. Despite the heightened tension, the Foreign Office has not advised against travel to Poland. It continues to be a popular and affordable destination for British tourists. However, the Foreign Office stresses that travellers should remain alert, follow official updates, and expect the possibility of last-minute changes to flight schedules. Travellers are advised to monitor updates from Polish authorities and airlines to stay informed about any changes to flight schedules. Do you have a planned trip to Poland? Talk to us in the comments section below. If you have plans to travel, check out the deals we have found in the description box below. If you need assistance with a visa to Europe, the UK, or the US, including help with securing your travel arrangements, IAM can help. For visa advice, contact your IAM visa coordinator.
If you'd like to get more info on travel, visas, immigration, and citizenship, head over to immigrationandmigration.com for more free content. Don't forget to subscribe and hit that bell for more travel and visa updates.